In the past few years, Notion has surged in popularity, gaining an almost cult-like following and becoming a go-to productivity and organization tool for individuals and teams around the world. And for good reason, few productivity tools are as versatile, flexible, and powerful as Notion. In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the best alternatives to Notion and help you decide which one is the right choice for your needs. Our today's video sponsor is SwiftDo PDF. Tired of complicated and expensive PDF editors? SwiftDo PDF is a fast, lightweight, and powerful tool that lets you edit, convert, merge, compress, and sign PDFs with ease without breaking the bank. Try SwiftDo PDF for free today. Click the link in the description and start editing like a pro. Number 1 is Coda. If you've ever wished for databases that dance to your tune, Coda might just strike the right chord. Known for its tailored formulas, this Notion alternative doesn't shy away from complex data manipulation. The platform lets users build intricate databases with unique views, think Kanban boards meets spreadsheet smarts, all within an all-in-one workspace. The real beauty lies in how these tools help manage projects from big picture planning down to minute details. With Coda, you can transform static lists into dynamic plans where each item links back to a central database, a godsend when juggling multiple clients or campaigns. Number 2 is Microsoft Loop. For teams already embedded in Microsoft apps, Microsoft Loop is a seamless extension. Its integration with Microsoft 365 amplifies its appeal as a project management tool, offering live editing and robust collaboration features that make it easy for team members to work together on documents. If calendar integration is crucial for you, know that it syncs perfectly with Google Calendar and other Microsoft tools. The real beauty lies in how easily one can jump from an Excel sheet into meeting notes without skipping a beat. This kind of synergy across applications ensures no detail falls through the cracks. Number 3 is Obsidian. Obsidian is a personal knowledge base that can be expanded to organizational needs. It induces a number of features for writing, note-taking, and documenting. It is a powerful alternative to Notion because of the way it visualizes the relationships between notes, creating an engaging and interactive graph. From information about product development to George Washington, identify patterns and record them, just like your brain would. I used Obsidian to record my general learning and write for ideas. Add journaling to it, and it makes for a good personal wiki. However, multi-device sync with Obsidian is complex, which was a big deterrent for me. Number 4 is Evernote. When Notion first launched, the note-taking app Evernote was one of its main competitors. And though since then Notion has undergone a significant overhaul, considerably expanding its feature set and positioning itself as an all-in-one workspace for all your work, Evernote remains a Notion alternative worth considering. Evernote follows the approach of Trello: focus on one task and execute it perfectly. If you need a simple, straightforward note-taking app for work or personal projects, there is no beating Evernote. Number 5 is Google Keep. Google Keep is an integrated note-taking app within the Google Productivity Suite. It is simple and easy to use and is bundled into the stack if you use Gmail or the G Suite. Google Keep's biggest advantage is its simplicity, but that is also its biggest limitation. As my work expanded and I took more notes, I found that documenting and organizing them took more effort with Google Keep. Features for notifications and collaboration, which are par for the course in any other tool, are still lacking in Google Keep. That is why Evernote, Trello, Google Keep, Coda, and Obsidian are all great choices, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech content. Got any questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to chat. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.